Hello viewers, welcome to BotPenguin. In today's video, we will discuss about custom prompts. Custom prompts can make your chatbot more effective, engaging and helpful. To understand more about custom prompts, let's quickly go to the AI settings section. So once you sign up on the BotPenguin platform, you will land on this page. On the left hand side, you'll find different options. You have to select the bot for which you want to add the custom prompts. For the demo purpose, I am selecting this bot. Then we will scroll down to the website chatbot settings section. Here you will find different subsections. You have to go to the AI settings section where you can customize your bot's personality. And here you will find the configure bot's personality option. If you want to know about how you can configure your bot's personality, then the video link is given in the description box below. You can check it out. So you just have to click on the create persona button right here. Here you can enter the persona details. You can also manage the communication style of your bot, how you want your bot to talk with the customers. You can also manage some different chat scenarios from this option. And finally, we have the custom instruction section where you can add your custom prompts. So custom prompts acts as a clear instructions to your bot. These will enable it to respond with accuracy and relevance to your user queries. You can give your bot any instructions you want. For example, I am entering this custom prompt. Following this instruction, the bot will reply with user name and the product name that the user is interested in. This way, the user feels recognized, which will improve engagement and trust. Now imagine a scenario when the input from user is unclear. Using custom prompts, you can guide the bot to ask clarifying questions. For example, see, this is how simple it is to add custom instructions. These can also keep the conversation flowing. Do not forget to click on the update button to save your changes. So that was all about how you can add custom prompts on the BotPenguin platform. By designing custom prompts thoughtfully, you can improve the bot's ability, and it can deliver precise, engaging, and helpful responses. If you have any doubts, you can refer to the help documentation of the BotPenguin. The link of the same will be provided in the description box below. Thank you.